Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of time, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the weekend, the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just helps make mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Crypto's got some solid news today, so you can see that across the board they are currently breaking out. I say currently because remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So as I talk, by far the biggest volume that the chart has seen, counting the entire weekend. And you can see right now the price is reacting very nicely with it. So the bulls are, they were already off to a good start. And what do I mean by that? Well, over the past, few days, the price had actually, made the bounce and then pulled back here and put in that low. And when you compare that where the previous low was, not to insult your intelligence, but these lows were already starting to build in the upwards direction. So now the price action that's currently going on, that's just kind of some extra icing on the cake. And, that's what you want to see. Now, whether or not this move is actually something truly strong, that still remains to be seen. There's still a lot more work to be done. But any way you look at it, as long as the price is staying up above 480, which is being denoted again by the green line right there, that implies the price is putting in higher lows, and higher lows is the name of the game. So going forward, one of the levels here that now really stands out to me at least is in regard to the purple line right there, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you know that when the price does break above that level, you want to see it act as support. That's just a foundational rule in charting. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act, or you want to see them at least act as support. So ideally speaking, if the price can now stay above that purple line going forward, that would be a huge sign of power. With that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that purple line, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because again, still have 480 as more so that primary area of support for the reasons I already discussed, that kind of representing the price making progress and putting in those higher lows. So yeah, preferably speaking, stay above that purple line. But if the bulls can't do that, then I'd consider 480 more that must-hold level. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are currently hanging out at, seems to be right up here at 525. If we took a quick stroll down memory lane here, you can see right there 525 knocked down the price, and then again right here knocked down the price. So I'm not saying that it's impossible to break above 525. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price could not push through that level. So according to the story of the chart here, apparently the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game to not only fight above 525, but then also be able to stay up above it. All in all, though, nice move. The bounce continues in a very solid candle right now. So yeah, let's see if the bulls can continue to build and make progress as the next 24 hours unfold. I'm sure I'll be back about 24 hours from now. So yeah, let's see how the next session all plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.